Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants, and so many questions come about, what about the scar? Is it going to be obvious? Is it going to be noticeable? Can you find it? This is what the typical hairline looks like. This is what the scar looks like. It's so close to not being able to be seen. And this goes all the way around. But if I pull up here, before, after. And this is what we take pride in. Come see us here at Natural Transplants. Not only do we give incredible scars, but we do great hair transplants at the same time. I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Call us with any questions regarding the scar or a hair transplant in general.